Yes.
Please, Your Lordship, I may be allowed to mention item 20 on consensus if this matter can be listed on 27th of January.
Item 20.
Yes, 20.
What do you want?
Adjournment, if it if it can be listed on 27th of January.
20?
27th of January.
January.
Yes.
No objection. You are for
Appellant,
appellant. Okay. Miss,
Gauhati Secretary, on behalf of Imkom Jamir.
on behalf of Imkom Jamir, Line Council for the appellant, praise for listing this matter on 27th of January to Mr.
Jobanangam, on behalf of two people.
Line Council appearing on behalf of respondent has no objection. On the request of both the Line Council for the parties, let this matter be listed on 27th of January. Okay.
Interim may be extended. There is an interim, Lordship.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing. Okay.
Much
Obliged,
obliged.
Lordship.
Your Lordship, may
Yes.
I be allowed to mention item 18 and 19?
18 and
Yes,
19.
these two matters can be listed after the vacation.
After vacation?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Eliraro, so have you taken consent from
Yes,
the?
yes, it's a joint.
Okay. With the consent of the Line Council for the petitioner, praise for listing this matter on 18, after vacation? Okay, you have no objection?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, my lord, no objection.
Council for the, Mr. Iral, we are for respondent number?
Private respondent.
Okay, private respondent. Praise for adjournment, praise for listing this matter after the ensuing winter vacation, to which Mr.
Lilim tong pim jong.
Line Council for the petitioner has no objection. Prayer allowed. List this matter after the ensuing winter vacation. Okay.
Obliged.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 2 on behalf of V. Shokre.
Okay.
Lordship, I'm informed that the commissioner has been transferred and a new incumbent has taken charge.
Okay. The petitioner.
Yes, yes, I may be allowed to file an appropriate application to complete the.
Okay, Mr. Angami, Line Council, appearing on behalf of Ms. V. Sukri, Line Addition, for the respondent, submits that the present Commissioner,
Yes, Commissioner Nagaland.
Commissioner,
Nagaland.
what department?
No, Commissioner Nagaland.
Okay, Commissioner Nagaland has he is respondent,
Four.
or Commissioner Nagaland, who is respondent, it is respondent number 4, has been transferred, and in his place, new incumbent has joined. Therefore, pray for some time. This, Mr. Okay, in this regard, Mr. Iralo, Mr. El Iralo, Line Council for the petitioner, prays for allowing him to implead the new incumbent in the COP. Stop. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 4 weeks.
Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, I also
Pray
beg,
for list this matter after 4. Okay.
I also beg to mention item 11. Item 11, Your Lordship. I have instruction to appear for respondent number 1 in this matter. I am appearing for the first time, my lord. If 4 weeks' time can kindly be granted to get the necessary instruction, my lord.
Mr. Walling present, Supamati Walling.
Your Lordship, I have informed there, yes.
Okay. Mr. Angami, Line Council submits that he has been engaged to appear on behalf of the respondent number
1, my lord.
1 and prays for some time to file affidavit in opposition. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after
4 weeks, my lord.
4 weeks.
I am deeply obliged, my lord.
Okay.
Lordship, I may be allowed to make a mention for hearing item 15.
Item?
Item 15, my lord. I have the consent of the learned public prosecutor if it can kindly be listed after 3 weeks, my lord.
Okay. Mr. Santianger, Line Council for the petitioner, with the consent of the Line Council of the opposite side, prays for listing this matter after 2 weeks.
3 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3, Your Lordship. I'm mentioning on behalf of Gauhati for the respondent number 1.
Item 3.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, on the last occasion, this.
What happened? Appointment of arbitrator.
Yes, my lord. In fact, my lord.
Any objection from the other side? You are for?
I'm for the petitioner, Your Lordship.
You are for the petitioner.
Actually, Your Lordship, there was new instructions as per this Honorable Court on date 24/11/2025, Your Lordship. Some of this Honorable Court has directed to the union to obtain some instructions in the case of 23/10/2025, Your Lordship. In the case of that, we have already sent a vetting to the ministry, and we try to communicate to the concerned department through the telephone number that has been provided in the affidavit. However, Your Lordship,
With
instructions are available.
regarding the appointment of the arbitrator.
My Lord, may I kindly peruse the order dated 24/11/2025. Here the option has been given even if written instruction cannot be received.
Yes,
At least
verbal
a
also.
verbal instruction, Your Lordship.
Verbal not yet received.
Yes, Your Lordship, we cannot communicate. Although the
Otherwise, do you have have an objection to the appointment of the?
Your Lordship, we'll have to wait for the instructions, Your Lordship. Until then, I cannot make any submissions, Your Lordship.
My Lord, may I kindly appreciate this objection that I'm raising. My Lord, the petition has been filed way back. It's
Yes, yes.
more than a year that this petition has been pending. And my Lord, here in this case, the objection which I would beg this Honorable Court to kindly reflect it in the order sheet is that because of this pending case, the petitioner's firm cannot even participate in the fresh NIT proceedings. Now this is turning into a big loss of business venture for my client, the petitioner's company.
No, this is in respect of one case, or how it
Your
affects the
Lordship,
other cases.
My Lord, this is also counted to be in the pending works.
Okay.
My Lord, for which, because of this pending case, my clients cannot participate in the fresh NIT
No, obtain
proceedings.
instruction. Obtain instruction because it need to be disposed of.
My Lord,
So when?
Your Lordship, if this matter would be listed after winter vacations, Your Lordship, at the meeting.
After winter vacation.
Yes, Your Lordship.
that will
Earlier,
have to be,
you
Your
see,
Lordship. So-
even if you don't receive, even if you fail to receive written instruction, even verbal also will do in the earlier, okay? Yes,
Your
by an
Lordship.
earlier order, I've seen.
My Lord, may I kindly take note of the lethargical approach of the respondent number one, the Union of
Yes, yes,
India.
sir.
So, my Lord, on the next date, if no instruction comes, I beg this Honorable Court to seek for, to direct for a personal appearance of the Secretary, Your Lordship.
The item 3, no? Okay. Oh, this is working. If written instruction are not received, verbal instruction will be submitted. Okay, so Mr. Oh, you are also here,
My
Mr.
for Union of India Lordship, I have sent the affidavit for signature, but I have not received it so far, so I will give it some time.
How many respondents are there here? 2. Okay, 2.
It's appearing from my,
Who's in CGSE? Okay.
I'm the CGC Lordship.
So CGSE was to obtain instruction. No, not yet received. No.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Mr. Engabate, line is CGC. Some state, although you have written,
Yeah, Lord,
although he has written a letter for instruction, however, the instruction is yet to received. Therefore, pray for further 2 weeks' time. Mr. Joshua Seki. And what about you? You are for respondent number?
2 and 3, Your Lordship.
2 and 3. What about you?
I have done my part, Your Lordship.
Okay.
It is the instruction from the union that is,
That is yes.
yes.
Okay,
Yes,
appointment can be done.
Your Lordship, as per the
The new SOP.
SOP, the new SOP issued by the Union of India, the state cannot appoint arbitrators.
Okay,
It is only the Union of India,
okay.
because the project belongs to the Union of India.
They have to indicate, okay.
Yes.
Okay. So, Line Council for the petitioner submits that the matter is pending since 2024. And due to the pendency of the matter, his client's case is adversely affected. His client is adversely being affected for further participation in
The fresh NITs.
the fresh NITs. Okay. In view of the above, Mr. Lana CGC shall obtain instruction by the next stage. Before the next stage staff, and if the written instruction are not received, he is allowed to submit the verbal. The verbal instruction will be submitted by the line of CGSE by the next stage staff, and there shall be no further adjournment. Or what?
Your
No,
Lordship,
that cannot be probably.
My Lord, I'm also begging this Honorable Court to direct the Secretary, Union of India Ministry of Law.
Okay.
Yes.
No, supposing if he receive a verbal instruction, then no need of his appearance. But if he failed verbal instruction also, then only of course.
Your Lordship, but if that is reflected, then at least they will take it seriously. If not, as far as the CGSE Council is concerned, my Lord, they are diligently taking steps. But no response at all is coming.
Failing which this court shall pass necessary order. Okay.
Sorry.
Next date, list this matter immediately after the
vacation.
entering into vacation. Okay.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention for item number 16 and 17.
6 and
16 and 17. Lordship, here in a similar matter, I filed a review petition this morning. So let this matter be listed after winter vacation.
you are for the petitioner.
Yes, Lordship, I'm for the petitioner. I've taken the consent of the other side.
You have filed review petition.
Yes, this morning I filed in a similar case.
Where?
WPC 69 of 2018.
WPC?
69 of 2018.
70 and 71 is there.
Yes, Lordship. This was clubbed together earlier, in the earlier proceedings.
Okay, 69 is also there.
Yes, Lordship.
Similar.
Yes, Lordship.
So in 69, you have filed
I filed
review.
for review this morning.
Okay. Miss,
Vikonokiso.
Lana counsel for the petitioner submitted in the similar matter being WPC 69 2018, she has filed review application before the review application this morning itself. Therefore, seek adjournment of the matter till disposal of the review.
Lordship, I'm yet to receive the review application number.
Not yet filed.
No, this morning only I have filed. I'm
You have
yet to
filed?
receive, yes, I'm yet to receive the review number, application case number.
Oh, no. Have you filed?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
If
Therefore,
possible, after the disposal of the review petition.
praise for adjournment of the matter. Till the disposal of the review application.
Yes, Lordship.
Review application not yet numbered. Number not yet given to you.
Yes, not yet given. I filed only this morning.
They praise for adjournment of the matter for some time, huh? As she is yet to get the review, the case number of the review application filed by the petitioner. The prayer is allowed. List is as prayed for. List this matter after 4 weeks. Okay.
Much like
For motion, item number 1.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, the petitioner is the daughter of the alleged accused person. And Lordship, the present accused person was arrested in connection with the GR 35 of 2025, in connection with the Zinoboto PS case 14 of 2025, under Section 22C NTPS Act, read with Section 25(1)B of Arms Act, Section 204319 of the BNS, and read with Section 44A and E of the NLTP Act, Lordship. Lordship, the petitioner is praying for the release of his father.
When he was arrested?
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, he was arrested on 29 June 2025.
Okay.
Yes, Lordship. The FIR is at...
Have you applied a bail application before the
yes,
trial
Lordship.
court?
Lordship.
It was rejected?
Yes,
When it
twice.
was rejected?
Lordship,
Last?
the rejected order is at Annexure E and F of my petition, which is at page 29, Lordship.
Okay.
And the subsequent bill is also at the Annexure F of the petition, which is at page 37, Lordship.
It was rejected twice?
Yes, Lordship. The
Okay,
first.
then what is the, it was rejected on merit only, it appears.
Yes, Lordship.
What is the new ground you have taken this
Lordship,
time?
here my ground is that here I'm applying on the ground of non-furnishing of the arrest of ground of arrest, Lordship.
Okay.
Yes,
So
Lordship.
whether, have you taken this ground before the trial court?
No, Lordship. In fact, Lordship, in the first ground, there was some non-compliance of the statutory provisions, and in the second subsequent bill, that was on the medical ground, Lordship. And here,
Where is the arrest memo?
Lordship, it's at page 14, Lordship. That is the first FIR, that is. The property and seizure is at page 18, Lordship. Page 18, Lordship. Page 18, Lordship. That is the property and seizure, Lordship.
No, where is the arrest memo? Showing the arrest.
Page 14, Lordship. 14, yes, Lordship. 14.
14 is first information.
Yes,
report.
Lordship. And 16, that is the crime details, Lordship. Page 16. This is the only document that was given to the present accused person, Lordship.
No, at that time of arrest,
Lordship.
your ground, you says that no,
No ground of arrest was furnished.
yes, where is the arrest memo?
Lordship, this is the only document that we have extracted from the court, Lordship. This is the only document. Nothing was furnished except this, Lordship. In fact, Lordship, here there are 3 other accused persons, but here I'm applying only for one accused person, Lordship. And this is the only
Where
document.
have you stated in a petition that
Lordship, is that
ground for arrest was not
Lordship.
furnished?
Paragraph 4 of my petition at page 5, Lordship. Paragraph 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
You have not annexed the arrest memo.
Lordship, this was the only documents that was furnished to the petitioner, Lordship. In fact, we applied for the CTC also, but this was the only.
No other document was
Lordship.
furnished to you at the
Yes,
time
Lordship.
of arrest. This is
This is the only document that we extracted from the court, Lordship.
from here.
Lordship.
How do we come to know that no ground was given?
Lordship, that is why.
It will be clear from the ground of arrest or
Lordship.
arrest memo
Lordship,
whether the ground was given or not.
Lordship. So, Lordship,
You have
here.
not annexed the arrest memo.
Lordship, this is the only document that we got from the court, Lordship. In fact, this is the only
Yes,
document.
sir.
Lordship.
Lordship, to that effect, Lordship, I need to take an instruction, Lordship, whether arrest memo has been, since they have
Then
not
call
annexed
for the
the
scan
arrest-
copy.
Lordship,
Okay, straight away. And then scan copy of the case diary, and then along with those ground,
Lordship,
those documents also.
Lordship, since they have taken this ground, Lordship. they have
Okay,
taken this-
heard Ms. Nikai, Lana counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr.
V. Jumomi.
Jimomi, Lanet PP
Lordship.
for the state staff. Para. This is an application filed under Section 483 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, read with Section 37 NDPS Act, praying for grant of bail to the accused who has been arrested in connection with Junebutta Police Station case number 14/2025 under Section 22C of NDPS Act, read with Section 25 within brackets 1B of Arms Act, read with Section 204 of stroke 319 of BNS, read with Section 44A and E of NLTP. What is this? NLTP?
Nagaland Liquor Prohibition.
Okay,
Yes, Lordship.
liquor prohibition. Just a minute, sir. Okay. Yes, NLTP Act. Stop. Call for the scanned copy of the case diary. Mr. Jimomi, Lanet PP submits that he may be allowed to obtain necessary instruction in this regard. Stop. Call for the scanned copy of the case diary of the above Geneva the PS case number 14/2025. List is matter.
Lordship, Thursday, if possible.
Thursday.
Lordship, since Friday is the last working day, Lordship.
Okay. On Thursday again. Okay.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item number 4 and 5.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, this petition is filed under 483 BNSS, praying for the release of the accused persons, namely A. Kaiser. Your Lordship, that on 16th August 2024, a sumoto FIR was launched at Narcotic Police Station stating that while the narcotic personnel was on duty, the mobile vehicle check post party intercepted a vehicle bearing NL01H 165458 Ford Figo at National Highway 2 near AgriLink Road between Kusama and Visema at around 11 to 11:20 a.m. and upon search suspected drugs to be heroin packed in 40 soap boxes were found from the rear seat of the vehicle. Accordingly, the 3 suspected alleged accused was arrested and registered a case under narcotic PS case number 14/2024 under section 21(c)/29/60 of NDPS Act, Your Honor. And subsequently, the present alleged accused persons was arrested on 11th April 2024. Your Honor.
FIR was lodged on
FIR was lodged on 16th August 2024. Your Honor.
16 August. He was arrested on
11th April 2025.
just a minute. Yeah. So FIR was lodged on 16
August 2024.
24,
Your Lordship.
but he was arrested on
11th April 2025. Your Lordship, here there is nothing on record to show that the grounds of arrest was communicated in written to the accused and his relatives, friends or family of the accused, and that the same has been acknowledged by them, and as such the same is a gross violation
No,
of
just a minute. FIR was lodged on 16/8 He was arrested only in the year 2025, April.
Your Lordship.
What was the ground? Ground means on what basis?
Your Lordship.
On the disclosure of the co-accused.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So on 16/8/2024, how many persons were arrested?
3 persons were arrested.
Okay, and including
And the present alleged accused persons was arrested on
3 persons were arrested on arrested
16.
on the spot
Yes, Your
on
Lordship.
16,
Your Lordship.
and then subsequently you were arrested
Yes, Your Lordship.
long after the FIR was lodged.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where do we find your name in the? It is not in the FIR.
Page number 18, Your Lordship, Annex C.
Okay, not in page 11 and 12. Here are only 3 names.
Yes, Your Lordship, my name is not here. Page 12. Your Lordship, Annex B, page 13, first information report. Here, even my name is not reflected. However, on page 18, Annex C, I was arrested on 11/4/2025. My name is reflected in Annex C, page 18 here.
Okay, so was found involving in the present case and supplying the seized drugs.
Your Lordship, ground for bail is on page 5, para number 7.
Page 5?
Page 5, para number 7.
What is that?
Ground for arrest. That there is nothing on record to show that the grounds of arrest were communicated in written to the accused and his relatives, friends.
Page 5, para?
Para 7, Your Lord. Page 7 of my petition.
The ground for bail?
Yes, Your
Oh,
Lord.
just wait. Huh?
Relatives, friends, or family of the accused, and that the same has been acknowledged by them. And as such, the same is a gross violation of Article 22, Clause 1 of the Constitution of India, and Section 47 and 44 of BNSS 2023, rendering the arrest of the accused is illegal, Your Lordship. And in support of my submission, Your Lordship, I'm relying on Mihar Rajesh Shah,
Okay,
Criminal Appeal 2195 of 2025.
just let us see the. What is your name, you said? Manager.
A Kaiser.
Kaiser. Not manager. Co-accused. Co-accused is manager. Manager. So your bail was rejected earlier?
Yes, Your Lordship. In two occasions.
Once or two occasions?
In two occasions.
When 24/7,
24/7, 2025 and 4th November 2025.
4th November also?
Yes, Your Lordship. I have annexed the impugned orders, annexure E and E1, page 29 to 23, Your Lordship, 31, Your Lordship.
So case already charge sheeted now?
Your Lordship.
Have you called for the case there, this trial court record?
Yes, on the last occasion, LCR has been called.
Okay. So what is the stage of the trial then?
It's yet to be conduct consideration of charge.
Charge not yet considered?
Your Lordship.
What is this? After the filing of charge sheet, whether the ground of arrest can be taken as the
Yes, Lordship.
ground for bail?
There's also, I'm relying on Vihan Kumar versus State of Haryana, Your Lordship. It's clearly stated.
So whether this ground, have you raised this ground before the trial court?
Your Lordship.
Hmm?
Your Lordship.
What is his role, Ms. Mary? Have you seen the record?
Yes, no, Your Lordship. I've just perused the charge sheet. And if Your Lordship will come to page 40, Kayazu Road, page 40.
40
the
of?
CDR, page 40 of the application.
Application?
Yes, yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Kayazu's role can be seen from 2.1, from point 2.1, page 40. The CDR
40?
call record. 40. 40.
In my bail application.
Page 40.
Yes.
Point 2.4. 2.4.
Okay, yes, yes.
Yes. Under that 2.4, your Lordship may kindly note the last second point. Kayazu, Kayamna, and Muneo has contacted history of 29 called frequency.
Kayazu, Kayuna.
Yes, yes, frequency between September 2023 up to February 2024.
Is contact history.
These are called detailed record. So Lordship will see the multiple calls between the co-accused.
How many times you say history of 29 calls?
Yes, 29 calls. Then next,
Between
Kayazu Kayani.
September 23.
Yes, up to February 2024.
Okay, and then?
Then Kayazu Kayani and Kiyeko. He is also before this court in the other bail application.
No, Manu is accused.
Manu is also one of the co-accused.
Has been arrested.
Yes, yes, has been arrested, yes.
And Kayeko?
Kayeko has also been arrested.
Whether they have they been released?
No, that is why.
They were arrested prior to the present accused person?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So with Geico, eight calls.
Yes. And your lordship, after that, come into point 2.5. During the course of investigation, while analyzing CDR of accused Manizo, the suspected supplier Kayazu, that is the present accused, phone number was located at Tadubi village. Thereafter, on 21/8/2024, self along with the accused Maneo went to Tadubi to cause arrest of suspect accused Kayazu. However, suspect accused Kayazu could not be arrested as he has already fled from his rented house, leaving his mobile phone in the jungle nearby his house. So, your lordship, this is reflective. This demonstrates that the accused has attempted to evade arrest, and there is a high chances of the accused absconding if released on bail.
No, so
And since-
nothing was recovered from him.
Your Lordship,
Only you have arrested based on the
information.
call record. That there
Call
was some
record and-
calls in
yes, Your
between.
Lordship.
Nothing otherwise.
No, your lordship,
Whether
may kindly.
any of the co-accused person have stated against
This
the-
corroborate, yes, the statement of the co-accused corroborates with the action of the accused, the present accused. Your lordship may kindly come to page 41. Page 41. Page 41, this we are concerned with Kayezu. Your lordship may kindly come to page 41.3. Investigation into the case has ascertained the following. Point 3. Kayezu supplied 40 soap cases to Manizoa. This corroborated with both Kayezu and Manizo's statement.
when?
Lordship has got it. That-
Yes, when Manijo supplied these 40 soap case to. So no, Kaezio supplied 40 soap case to Manizio. It's a police statement.
Yes, yes. And it's relevant for consideration of bail, your lordship.
Now,
And your lordship, the forensic report of the exhibit samples shows positive
that
result.
was recovered
Yes,
and seized from the co-accused earlier, in 2024 only, from three accused persons.
your lordship.
Those were sent for FSL. Report was the material seized from those 3 persons only.
He is also there, but then he was evading arrest.
No, he wasn't there in the beginning, but then during the course of investigation, the other co-accused took his name.
Your lordship, I didn't get.
No. How he was arrested? On what basis?
From the disclosure by the co-accused.
Yeah, that is what I'm saying.
Yes.
Only after the disclosure, only he was arrested.
Yes, yes. In fact, he would have arrested on the same day with the co-accused, but then he evaded arrest.
No,
He fled from
they
the
disclosed
scene.
on the same day.
Yes, he would have been arrested on the same day, but he fled from the scene. That is why, your lordship.
Okay, he was also on the scene.
He was along with them.
And he was along with them. He fled.
Lordship may kindly come
Okay.
to point
Where is that?
2.5.
Page?
Page 40.
Page 14. Page 14?
40.
40?
Yes.
2
The
point?
chart sheet, the content of the chart sheet, 2.5.
2.5, okay.
Yes,
During the,
I have already read out to you, lordship.
2.5.
Yes. Then 2.6. During the course of investigation, based on reliable source of information, the main supplier, He is the main supplier. In the instant case, Kayezu was arrested near Kohima while he was going to Dimapur.
So, but this is only the statement which relates to the involvement of the accused, present accused.
Lordship.
But nothing was recovered from him.
Lordship, his role is very clear from this investigation report. He has been very much involved directly.
When he was arrested on the way to Dimapur also.
On the
there
way
was
to
nothing.
Dimapur, because he was evading, he could not be found from the place where he has been given the, at the given address.
Your Lordship, here, I'm not going on the merit of the case, but here I'm praying before this honorable court that the arrest of the accused is illegal, Your Lordship.
Lordship, the ground of arrest has already been taken before the lower court below.
No, Lord.
So
I have an
So police at the time of his arrest.
yes,
whether-
Lordship, may kindly, we'll go by the record, yes, yes.
Have you seen whether the police has given a ground for his arrest?
No, that was not annexed here in the application, so we'll be relying on the court's record.
No, in the court records, it may not be reflected. Has it been reflected?
It should be the part of the record, if it was served.
Your Lordship, in page 20 of my petition, Your Lordship, the arrested person was cautious to keep herself covered for purpose of identifications. The intimations given to the Shri Katini, who is called to be as a mother. Intimation, not ground of arrest, Your Lordship. It's page 20.
Have you seen the ground of arrest in the record?
I haven't checked the record, so.
Don't check.
Yes.
Your Lordship, the accused was arrested on 11/4/2025, and he was produced before the magistrate on 12/4/2025, Your Lordship. The court order, remand order is page 25, annexure D, page 25. In my petition,
Date?
Your Lordship, page 25.
No, date?
Date 12,
When he was produced?
12 April 2024, Your Lordship. page 24 in my petition. Annexure D.
Let us check it from the 12 April.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What is this? This order sheet starts from 17/8/2024.
On, on, on page 4, for your reference for page 25, annexure D in my petition, Your Lordship, about the production before the magistrate.
I'm trying to find out from the record. It starts from 17/8/2024. Your page?
24, Your Lordship. Page 24, annexure D. 25, Your Lordship. I'm 25, page 25. Page 25. On the last paragraph, Your Lordship. On legal representations, accused stated that he will first consult with his family to engage a counsel. He is informed of his right to legal aid if entitled, Your Lordship. His family is also informed of his arrest.
Where do we find that?
In last paragraph, Your Lordship. The type
It's
copy
handwritten?
Yes, type copy is on page number 28, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Page 28. Yes, second paragraph, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
On legal representations, accused stated that he will first consult with his family to engage a counsel. He is informed of his right to legal aid if entitled. His family is also informed of his arrest, Your Lordship. Not the ground of arrest. He is informed that he is arrested, but not ground of arrest.
Now, the ground of arrest would be available in the police
Format,
paper.
in a format, yeah. Usually,
Miss Mere,
yes, Your Lordship.
could you just find out?
Lordship, I'll check it out.
Even from the receipt also,
Yes, Your Lordship.
and then correlate it, and then find out if there is a ground of arrest. Is
Lordship.
Since he is
Yes. Then the matter may be called after some time.
after some time.
Yes.
Okay.
This item number 4, 5, and 7, these are arising out of the one FIR. So it may be taken up together.
This 4, 5,
4, 5, and 7.
and 4, 5, and 7.
Yes, yes.
6 is different.
Yes, 6 is different, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
4, 5, and 7. Okay. Okay. After some time. In respect of all the accused persons. Yes. Huh? Yes.
Item number 6.
Please, Lordship.
Asking. Oh, it can't. Which? So, cannot come. No? Both open. Switch on this one also. Okay. Yes, item 6.
Yes.
What is
Lordship,
this?
this is a regular bail application. Lordship, in this case, I was simply arrested on the alleged disclosure made by those arrested persons who were initially arrested. Lordship, if you can kindly peruse the FIR, which is at page 12, Lordship. Page 14. The FIR. Page 14, Lordship. May I read, my Lord?
Yes.
It is a suo motu FIR. I have the honor to state that on 2/5/2025, a MVCP party of narcotics PS was detailed for formal routine checking of vehicles in and around Kohima. The MVCP party was stationed at all point at Chakabama. While performing duty at around 20 hours, 2/5/2025, two vehicles, a gypsy and Alto, which was proceeding from Fusuro side, were signaled to stop by the duty party for normal checking. However, both vehicles fled towards Chedaba side. On suspicion, the duty party began chasing the vehicle and at the time informed and alerted the standby duty party of narcotics PS and the SDPO PEC of an OC Chojaba. After numerous attempts to locate and apprehend the suspicious vehicle and occupants in the vehicle, at around 4:30 a.m., both the vehicle Gypsy and Alto was intercepted at Rusama village by the duty party. There were two occupants in the vehicle, Alto, and one occupant in the Gypsy. Upon inspection, suspected packages wrapped in blue and green were found in the Gypsy. Therefore, Sri Kruzole Head Gambara of Rusama village and Sri Krikato Gambara of Rusama village were requested to be present during the search and seizure as independent witness. Accordingly, the vehicle was thoroughly checked in the presence of witnesses and under video recording, during which 35 packages of suspected NDPS cannabis ganja wrapped in blue and green polythenes were kept openly in the back of the Gypsy. The suspected contraband drugs, cannabis ganja, were taken out from the vehicle Gypsy, weighed separately, weighing around 370 kilos. The suspected drugs were then serially marked as Annexure A1 to A35, respectively, packed and sealed. The sealed parcel was then duly attested by the independent witnesses and accused persons. The entire procedure was recorded under videography in the presence of independent witnesses. The suspected drugs, along with the accused documents, was duly seized from the accused persons. Seizure panchnama detailing the entire seizure procedure was also prepared and attested by the witnesses and accused persons. During the period, preliminary inquiry met from the occupants of the vehicle, Gypsy, and other occupants of the Alto, D. Ashuni, and Dako. It was ascertained that the consignment belonged to them and that they conspired and transport the contraband to be delivered at Dimapur to Inato, who is using mobile number so-and-so. Having reasonable grounds to believe that the following accused persons, namely Kuvini, D. Ashuni, and Dako, were arrested at 7 a.m. and along with the seized items, they were produced as narcotic PS on 3/5/2025 at around 8 a.m. and handed over to the OC Narcotics PHQ, Kohima. This is the FIR, Lordship. Lordship, in this case, the present petitioner, the accused person, he was apprehended on the next day on the alleged disclosure made by these three arrested persons who were initially arrested.
No, is he the person who fled towards?
No, Lordship.
He's not the person who
No.
fled on the incident
Lordship.
day.
No. These three persons were apprehended in two vehicles
Which one?
from the alleged disclosure.
Which one?
Initially, these three persons were arrested at page 15, Lordship, page 15. The three arrested persons, name is there in page 15.
Yes.
One is Kuvini, D. Ashuni, Dako. I'm not for these persons. I am for Inato. From the alleged disclosure by these three accused persons, the police on the next day, they came to my residence in Dimapur, and then I was picked up, and then I was brought to Kohima, and then I was shown to be arrested. Lordship, during the time of my arrest.
No, in the Suomoto FIR, whether
Yes.
his name or he has been referred to as
Yes, Lordship.
also in where?
In page 15, 15. His name is, it is ascertained that the consignment belongs to them.
Oh, where?
The first line, page 15.
Okay, it is
Ascertained that the consignment belongs to, during the interrogation of these
Belong to
three
them
accused
means?
persons. Belong to them means belonging to these three accused persons who were arrested.
These three persons?
Yes.
Not you.
Not me. They have stated that the consignment belongs to them. It is ascertained that the consignment belongs to them and that they conspired and transport the contraband to be delivered at Dimapur to Inato. I am Inato. They have stated that.
Where do I find that sentence?
Second line, Lordship. It is ascertained that the.
Delivered at Dimapur.
Yes, to me.
Okay, you are Inato.
I am Inato.
Just a minute. Certain the consignment belongs to them. They conspire and transport the consignment to be delivered at Dimapur. Okay, he was using number. Okay, these three persons were on the way to deliver to you, isn't it?
That is what they have stated. The police. It is a sumo FIR.
So thereafter, what happened?
After they were arrested, during the preliminary inquiry, my name has cropped up. So on the next day, this police personnel came to my residence and they have told me that I am wanted in a case in Kohima. And so I was picked up from my home and then I was brought to Kohima and then I was shown to be arrested. On the next day only.
Okay, on the next day, when
Yes.
the police visited your place,
Yes.
whether police has recovered any
Nothing,
lottery
nothing.
items?
Lordship, nothing. Nothing was recovered during my arrest. And even from the very perusal of the FIR, they have stated that the consignment belonged to these three persons.
To deliver to you.
Yes, they have stated that. That is just by the police only. And then on the next day, I was apprehended from my home in Dimapur, and then I was brought
The
to.
arrest was done at what time? Seven a.m. You were arrested on?
I was arrested on 4th May. They were arrested on 2nd of May. They were arrested on 2nd. I was arrested on 4th. From the alleged disclosure only, I was picked up. And then during the time of my arrest, nothing was recovered from my possession, Lordship.
So you filed bail application, when your first bail application was filed before the trial court?
Together, I have filed 2 bail applications. The last being, that is it, Annexure C, page 16. And then, Lordship, this case is charge sheeted also. But then cognizance is yet to be taken. During the course of hearing on the last bail application, it was submitted that the case has been charge sheeted, but then till date, cognizance is yet to be taken. The last bail rejection order is at page 16. That we have placed on the grounds of arrest. That although I have stated in the present application, so I have stated that ground also, but then I'm not pressing on that also.
So you have taken the ground, same ground, before the trial court?
No, Lordship. The last bail application, the ground was on the grounds of arrest, on the violation of the ground of arrest. Lordship, in support of my submission, I would like to place a reliance on these 2 judgments, Lordship.
Which one? Dihan Kumar?
No, Lordship. I am not on the ground of arrest, Lordship.
This time you are not on the ground of
No.
arrest? Okay. So now on merit?
Yes. The first citation, Lordship, I have asked.
Just a minute. What was the ground taken by you in the first bail application?
Lordship, I have appeared only on the last bail rejection. Earlier, there was a different set of counsels, Lordship.
It's a huge siege, 370 kgs.
Lordship. But all those were recovered from those 3 accused persons, not from me.
You are also involved in another case, similar case?
I am on bail, that is of 2024.
Have you reflected this? In
Yes,
the-
yes, yes. That order is, I
bail
have
appli-
annexed.
In the bail application?
Yes, I have annexed.
Where?
Annexure D. Page 18, Annexure D.
This is in different case?
Yes. In this case also, I was not directly arrested, in connection only, but then I am on bail. This case pertains to 2023.
Which one? The present one?
No. This
Earlier.
This Annexure D, that earlier, the other case, that is of 2023, and I am on bail. Lordship, I have submitted two judgments. I have submitted two.
Okay, what is this, page 20?
Page 20 is the execution of this order, of this bail.
Okay.
This honorable court has granted bail, and then that is the execution. Lordship, I have
That is
submitted.
that is different case only?
Yes,
That is
yes.
different case, okay. So in the present case, also your bail was rejected twice.
Yes.
First bail was rejected on the ground of?
That the other set of counsel has taken up. But then subsequently, I have taken the ground of arrest, which I have
That was
put in-
rejected.
Yes.
Now you are,
I'm on merit. I'm not pressing on that.
you are on merit.
Yes. Lordship, the first judgment, similar facts and circumstances.
No, on
because-
merit.
Yes.
The only on merit, your ground is that he was arrested only
On the alleged disclosure made by
disclosure of the-
those initial 3 persons who were arrested, and then nothing was recovered from our possession during the arrest.
whether this all 3 persons stated against you that it was to
That
be the consignment which
from the
they
FIR
carried,
only. I am from the
which they
FIR. I am
carried.
submitting.
No,
that.
from the statement which they carried was to be delivered to you only. All of them have started.
That I cannot say. I'm just stating from the FIR.
Okay.
They have stated that the consignment belongs to them,
and then to be delivered to me. That is the statement made, that is the sumo by the police.
There is no seizure.
No.
So what is the, now it is before the court only?
Yes.
What is the stage of trial?
Cognizance is yet to be taken. It is charge sheeted, but then cognizance is yet to be taken, Lordship.
Okay. Charge sheeted against how many people, how many persons?
All of them.
4.
Yes. During the hearing of this last bail, it is submitted that the case has been charge sheeted, but until that cognizance is yet to be taken. So I'm not sure whether the charge sheet is on record or not.
Just a minute.
Till date, we have not received a copy of the charge sheet.
Who appears for a state here? This is Kiangami.
Lordship, today Kiangami is not available. He has got some personal difficulty.
Okay. So, but it's a bulky one. You need to go through and then case study. Not case study. Record. And point out if there is any material against him. So we have received the case record, scanned copy of the case record. We need to go through if there is any, because he is arguing on merit. Now, this court would like to see if, because he was arrested based on the disclosure statement of 3 persons who were arrested on the same day, on the incident day, when they were caught. This court would like to see if all of them have stated that the consignment which they carried, which the police have seized, some statement as per the FIR, it says that this consignment was to be delivered to the present accused. Now this court would like to see that if all of the accused persons have stated this, and it is connected with and how it is linked to it. It appears that according to him, nothing was seized from the present accused persons because he has not annexed anything. So if there was any, because he was arrested from his home only.
Yes, from my place,
Okay.
from my home.
Maybe some seizure memo probably. So he need to go through, he need to apprise this court.
Today may
So
not be
tomorrow,
possible.
Tomorrow or day after tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow.
If
He may
can-
be, yes, he may be available tomorrow.
He is coming tomorrow?
Tomorrow, probably.
Okay, can it be fixed tomorrow?
Lordship.
Okay. Let him go. Just inform him to
Lordship,
go
I'll do
through
that. Lordship,
and just
Lordship.
flag wherever
Yes,
it is.
yes,
Okay.
Lordship, Lordship.
Mr.
6 years. 7 is different.
V. Achumi,
The Ashwin, Lordship.
Land Council for the petitioner is present. Mr. Kiangami. So, Angami is PP.
Yes, PP.
PP is stated to be, sorry, state is not present, he is stated to be, just a minute, to have some personal difficulties due to which he could not appear today. In view of the above, let this matter be listed tomorrow again, okay?
Lordship.
Obliged, Lordship.
Lordship,
Yes.
Lordship, here I'm here to receive the scanned copy, Your Lordship. Lordship, from the from the district court, Your Lordship. So if the matter can come, can be passed over tomorrow, Your Lordship, so that at least I can obtain the scanned copy by tonight, Your Lordship.
Okay. Recorder is called for.
Your Lordship, I don't know whether in the last order the records were called.
Yes. Record has been called for.
I think the record has not been sent so far. They were supposed to send
Who
today.
is respondent number 2?
The complainant, my lord. The complainant.
You have implemented a complainant also?
Yes, my lord. This is
This
POXO
is what?
case.
Oh, POXO case?
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Information
My lord,
is-
here I
Then
am
what
praying
happened?
on default ground, my lord. Default bail.
This is on default bail.
Yes, my lord.
Your Lordship,
Have you applied before the trial court?
Yes, my lord.
What happened there?
The trial court was of the view that in POXO cases, the statutory period is 180 days, my lord. Now, under which provision, I don't know. Trial court was of the view that 180 days. I applied, and it is clearly reflected in his order. I was already in custody for 103 days. By then, charge sheet was not filed. But the learned special judge was of the view that in POXO cases, the statutory period is 180 days. But as per CRPC, it is only 90 days, my lord. If I have been illegally detained, my lord.
What happened? You have taken steps upon the respondent? Dusty, by the
Yes,
way
my
of
lord.
Dusty?
Yes, my lord.
What
Dusty
happened?
is done. I file compliance affidavit, my lord.
Compliance affidavit also? The informant has received.
Yes, my lord. On 21/11/2025, Dusty was served to the informant.
How many accused persons?
7 altogether, my lord. But I am appearing only for 6.
Okay, what are the 7 accused?
Yes, my lord.
Then the offense involved is?
Section 63 ABD6
Okay.
and 65(2) BNS and section 4 subclause 2 and 8 of the POXO Act, my lord. But here, my lord, I am only praying on ground of default bail, my lord.
Default.
My Article 21 has been violated.
When they were arrested?
They were arrested on 24/7/2025. And the statutory period expired on October 22. 90 days was lapsed. However, the investigating agency has failed to file the charge sheet. And here I apply bail. But by an order dated 6/11/2025, the special judge, POXO Zenopoto, was of the view that statutory period for POXO is 180 days, my lord. And there is such provision does not exist, my lord. I don't know from where he got that view.
Where is the
Lord-
bail rejection order?
My lord, may kindly come to page 47.
Rejection order?
Yes, my lord, the operative part, page 47.
This was a bail application in respect of how many accused?
6 accused, my lord.
Okay, in one go. Yes.
So, my lord, the operative part, my lord. Page number 47. May I read, my lord? Come into section 65, subclause 2 BNS.
Coming to,
Act.
wait, just a minute.
Come into page, paragraph 10, my lord. Come into. And section.
Page 47.
Yes, my lord. Come into section 65B BNS Act and section 4 subclause 2 of the POCSO Act, where the punishment prescribes for rigorous imprisonment for not less than 20 years, but which may extend to life, which shall mean imprisonment for the remainder of the person's natural life or death. And the present case in hand, the accused persons are under custody for 103 days. Clearly reflected in the order. 103 days. Whereas the statutory period under the mentioned sections are 180 days, my lord. And the petitioner has no right to pray for default bail until the statutory period under section 483 subclause.
Is it 180 days?
It is 90 days, my lord.
Your Lordship, it's 90 days, Your Lordship. However, Your Lordship, when I sought instruction, Your Lordship, all the documents, the second copy was supposed to reach me today, Your Lordship. So, Your Lordship, we have to await that. I was informed that before the expiry of that mandatory period of 90 days, the IO has already written that there was more investigation to be done, and so to extend the time. So because of that time was for investigation. Yes, Your Lordship.
There could be an order extending.
Yes, Your Lordship, and so the time was extended, and now charge sheet has already been filed. But all these things will be
Charge sheet filed within.
and now charge sheet has been filed, it seems, Your Lordship. So let the record come and let the record
But
speak.
can the 90 days be extended?
Yes, my lord.
Your
Under which
Lordship,
provision?
if there's an investigation, because it's a sensitive case, Your Lordship. It's a sensitive case, as you are well aware, Your Lordship. It's a POCSO Act. And therefore, Your Lordship, after that mandatory period, Your Lordship, I think there was more requirement to investigation. But Your Lordship, I cannot just speak like verbally.
So,
The document has to come. That is what I have been received
When you are
verbally.
expected to receive the document?
I was supposed to receive today, Your Lordship. So by evening, maybe I will make an endeavor, and it can be listed tomorrow. And with all the records, Your Lordship, the court can decide, Your Lordship. Because as of now, without records, Your Lordship, on the verbal instruction, I cannot submit, Your Lordship.
My lord, apologies, but there is no provision for extension of time.
No.
This is not in
Let's
DPS.
see,
Let
Your
us see the
Lordship.
record.
Let's
This
see, Your
is not in
Lordship.
DPS.
Now
Let
she
the
says
record
the
come.
charge sheet filed, when it was filed, let us see.
Yes, Your Lordship. Meantime, the charge sheet has been filed. That is what I'm informed, Your Lordship. But let the record come, and basing on the record, Your Lordship, the right decision can be taken, Your Lordship.
My lord, the bail order is very clear. I stayed in custody for 103 days. And charge sheet has not been filed. But the learned judge was of the view that the POCSO is 180 days. The records are very clear. The bail order clearly reflects the same.
Okay. Mr. A. Sophie,
Yes, my lord.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner, he is present. Ms. Libika, Learned Public Prosecutor for the state. Some states she was supposed to receive the instruction with all the records, but unfortunately the same did not reach her.
It will be in scanned copy, Your Lordship.
Okay, the scanned copy of the record, huh? Okay. And therefore pray for
Let the matter come up tomorrow, Your Lordship.
tomorrow.
I'll make an endeavor, Your Lordship.
Okay. Pray for listing the matter tomorrow. Okay, stop. Huh? List the matter tomorrow again. Make it a scan copy, huh?
Yes.
Was it called for?
I think on the last occasion,
Just a minute. Updated. Okay, case diary says. Okay. Then if you say that the case has already been charge sheeted, then it will be a record only.
So, Your Lordship, I will take the record as well as like whatever is
Okay.
in the record
Okay.
of the IO,
See,
Your
Father
Lordship, I will
Samir said-
obtain that also.
She has received some instruction that now the case has already been charge sheeted. In view of the above, let the scanned copy of the scanned copy of the records be also called for.
Yes, Your Lord.
Okay, list this matter again tomorrow. Okay.
Yes, Your Lord.
Obliged, my lord.
Much obliged.
Item number 9.
Yes.
May it please your lordship. My lord, I filed this application under section 482 CRPC Red Pit 528 of the BNSS. Claim for quashing of the FIR and also quashing of all the connected criminal proceedings.
Okay.
In connection to GR 41 of 2022, State Crime PS number 6 of 2022. My lord, here I have my main contention before this honorable court is that the petitioner, who is an accused,
Who is the respondent?
the respondent is the state, my lord.
State?
Yes, my
It's
lord.
on merit.
Yes, my lord. Question of the FIR, my lord.
Okay, on merit. Have you made the informant also as a respondent? Yes.
Yes,
Have
my
you
lord.
taken steps?
Yes, my lord. Dusty,
Dusty,
I have already filed my affidavit of compliance, my lord.
whether it was received?
Yes, my lord. I filed the Dusty on 24/11/2025, the affidavit of compliance. The service was received by the respondent number 2 on 6/11/2025, my lord.
By himself?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Mr. Asofi, Land Counsel for the petitioner is present and submit that he has taken steps upon the private respondent number 2 by Dusty, by way of Dusty service, and after closing service by way of Dusty, he has filed a compliance affidavit, compliance affidavit showing the receipt of the notice by the respondent himself on 6/11/2025. Stop, huh? In view of the above, the notice upon the respondent number 2 is deemed to have been complete, service served. No, it's complete, huh? However, no one appears on behalf of the respondent number 2. The state, who represents the state here in this case? Earlier, who was a V. Zimomi was there. Okay, Zimomi is not present today. Mr. V. Zimomi, Nana Public Prosecutor, he is not present today. Whether record was called for here?
I believe so, my lord.
Record probably was not called for. So notice issued. Record was not called for, huh? We'll call for record. It is submitted.
Oh, my lord, I've enclosed the charge sheet.
Maybe.
I've enclosed.
What is the stage?
Consideration of charge, but it has been stayed.
Where? By which order?
Trial has been stayed in a different case, my lord. There are 2 accused persons here.
Okay,
Two
the
accused
similar
persons.
case. Okay, stage.
Yes. So
Now, in respect of him or in respect of you also?
the whole
You as
proceeding has been stayed.
that the record of the trial court record would be necessary for consideration of the case. In view of the above, let the scanned copy of the trial court record be called for. Stop. This matter. When that other matter is fixed for?
I'm not the counsel, so I'm not aware, my lord.
It should have actually been listed together because probably record might have called for there, and if it is stayed, the same proceeding is stayed, it actually should come along with.
Yes, my lord.
Do you have the number? That number,
I have
case
to check
number?
out, my lord. I'll have to check. Yes, my lord.
Okay. In view of the above, list this matter after the ensuing winter vacation. There is a stay?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, after ensuing winter vacation, along with the similar, along with the analogous case being number, you give the number.
Fine, my lord, I'll do that.
Okay.
I'll do that, my lord. Oblige, my lord.
Number 10.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I have filed one IA for implement, Your Lordship, but it was
IA
not
for?
listed today.
IA4?
IA for implement.
Okay.
So-
Has it been listed?
No, no, Lordship. So if this matter can be listed along with that IA, Lordship.
Mr. Solo?
Nsukachis, Lordship.
Oh, Mr.?
Nsukachis, Lordship.
Land Council for the petitioner submits that he has filed one interlocutory application for implement of the new incumbent.
Yes, Lordship. Respondent number 4.
New incumbent. However, the same is not been listed today. You have already filed?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. So in view of the above, let this matter be listed along with the IA for implement of the new incumbent after the ensuing vacation.
Lordship, whenever this IA is listed, Lordship.
IA, when did you file?
This morning, Lordship.
This morning. Okay, this morning. Then list this matter on Thursday. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item number 12.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, I have instructions to appear for the respondent number 2.
Okay. For the first time?
Lordship.
This is what quashing petition?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Miss
Priyakrula.
Priyakrula, Land Council for the petitioner is present. Mr.
Jamir.
Jamir, Land Council, put appear on behalf of the private respondent number?
2.
2.
2.
2, okay. And are you filing objection?
Lordship.
And prays for some time to go through the petition and to file objection. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after the ensuing winter vacation.
After 4 weeks?
After 4 weeks. Okay.
Lordship, there is interim continue.
Stop. Para. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing. Okay.
Lordship, similar prayer for item number 13. I'm entering
It's
a prayer.
all the same?
Lordship.
Okay.
One is for quashing the FIR and one is NBW, quashing of the NBW.
Okay, similar order.
Yes,
Lordship.
Okay. And then 14 also?
No, Your Lordship.
Okay. Okay, 13 also similar order.
Interim.
Interim, they are also interim. Okay, continue. Okay.
Obliged.
Item number 14.
Yes, back in the chamber.
Yes, my lord, I filed this IA 212 of 25 for implement of 3 respondents, Commissioner and Secretary, Department of Land Records and Survey, Government of Nagaland, and the Director of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry, and a private respondent, Sri Phiremo Lotha.
So where their name are given?
This IA is
This is in what? In what case you are going to implement?
In WPC 310 of 2022. Yes, my lord.
In where are their name whom you were going to implement?
I've mentioned the name in para 5. In para 5.
Para 5?
Yes, my lord.
Who are they? Number one is?
The Commissioner and Secretary, Department of Land Reports and Survey.
Commissioner and Secretary, Department of
Of Land Reports and Survey.
Land Records and Survey.
Yes, my lord.
Is respondent number?
He will be implemented as respondent number 5.
He will be respondent number 5?
Yes, my lord.
And next is?
Director, Department of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry.
Okay.
He will be respondent number
Lordship,
6.
Director is already implemented in the main petition.
Which one?
Director, Veterinary Department is already there.
No,
The-
it's only district veterinary.
Director Veterinary is already there?
Only district veterinary.
District, okay, okay.
Okay.
Not the director.
Okay, then next is?
And the private respondent, Sri Pyodimu Olotha.
Lotha.
Yes, respondent number 7.
Where is his name address you have given?
On para 5.
Where do he live? Where is his name address? Address?
Address.
You have to give his name, address.
Yes, my lord. If the Disciplinary Court allows my I application, I'll be filing for.
This is for what?
Of the writ petition, yes, along with the respondent.
This is for implement.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, Mr. Pakin Richard.
Actually, Your Lordship, as per the rule, as when the parties seek for the implement, the proposed party has to be given a detailed particulars of the
Yes, well,
parties. by
that is why,
examination.
you have to clearly say that this respondent number so and so address name, entire
Yes.
name, address, PIN number, etc. as respondent number 5, and next respondent number 6, and then name, address, everything as respondent number 6. But in your from your application, it's not clear. How do we correct? How do we correct?
Let them,
I may be
the
allowed to withdraw and
private
file another I. I may be allowed to withdraw this I and file another I.
You because you have also not stated anything why they are necessary party. You have
The state respondent in your affidavit have
that
pleaded.
cannot be the ground, because only because the state says you have to say that they are necessary party because they are connected with the case.
Yes.
Is pertain to land
Yes,
issue.
since the land
so
pertains
it
to
falls under
land dispute,
Department of Land Records and Survey.
Yes, and then the individual this person is involved with
Yes, and veterinary department.
a short statement
Yes, yeah.
about their about showing that they are necessary party.
Yes, madam.
There also, then only the court will be satisfied, and otherwise you see, no order can be passed affecting these persons without implementing them. But for implement, you have to clearly mention, okay?
Yes, madam.
Their respondent number, okay. Mr. Pakin Richabolani, counsel for the petitioner. Applicant wants to withdraw this interlocutory application with liberty to file afresh after making necessary correction.
Yes, madam.
The prayer is allowed. This IA stands disposed with liberty, dismiss with as withdrawn with liberty as prayed for. Okay.
And there's another IA 211 which is not listed today in the post list. This for amendment of the writ petition.
Okay, then I think better amendment of the writ petition
Yes,
also,
yes.
so that your amendment as well as this implement is allowed, and then amendment to carry out, because for this also, if it is allowed, you have to amend the course title.
Yes, ma'am.
So probably you file this tomorrow also. You file will allow.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So has that been listed, whether?
No, 211 is not listed today.
Not listed. Let it be listed, Mr. Pakin, in the main case, huh? Mr. Pakin Dichabo, Learning Council for the petition submits that he has filed an IA. He has filed. When did you file? IA for amendment of the red petition. Okay. In view of the above, when do you want this matter to be listed? Along with
After
the-
vacation, madam.
After vacation only? Okay. Okay, and also, okay, that in view of the above, and in view of the above, and also in view of the order passed today in IA 212/2025, comma, let this matter and as prayed for by and as prayed for, comma, let this matter be listed after the ensuing winter vacation. Okay.
Very well.
Okay, his presence. His presence can also be recorded. Huh? Okay. And additional AG. Huh? Okay.
For hearing, item number 21.
My lord,
Yes.
In this case, on the last day, direction was issued by this honorable court calling for records from the learned district and sessions Dimapur.
Okay.
So
What happened?
that was the last order, 10/11.
Okay. Okay, first appeal.
It appears that the opposite councils are not present. In that case, my lord, the matter may be listed after winter break.
What is this IA for? IA has not been listed separately.
It's not listed as per the cost list. The IA, although it is for condemnation of delay, my lord.
Delay already condemned.
Not yet, my lord. Yes.
Who is for the respondent?
So, my lord, on the last date, the IA was to be heard. However, the honorable court, this court, saw that records had to be reviewed, records from the learned district and sessions Dimapur.
Okay. Record, it appears, has been received. No, this is first appeal, IA. With IA. IA is not listed. Huh? Although record has been received, IA has not been listed today, it appears.
My lord, given the circumstances, let the matter come up after winter break.
Okay, you are Mr.?
For the petitioner, my lord.
Your good name?
Y Hunsoi.
Why?
Y Hunsoi.
Learning Council for the
HUMTSOE.
Learning Council for the petitioner is present. The trial court record from the principal seat, Dimapur, namely the first appeal 1/2023 has been received. However, the interlocutory application has not been listed today, staff. The respondent also remain absent in view of the above and as prayed for, comma, let this matter be listed after the ensuing winter vacation. Okay?
Obliged, my lord.
Yes. Yes, whatever it is. Okay, then petitioner is present. Okay, but then So, can it be listed tomorrow then? Give her some chance because it's a bulky. It's a bulky one. She needs some time. She's not there. Okay. As prayed for by Miss Mary, Land PP, let this matter be listed tomorrow. Okay. Land Council for the petitioner is present. Huh? Okay. Tell Miss Mary, huh?
Document 5.